Tulsi Kadha is well known for its ability to treat cold and cough, but it offers a wide range of other health benefits. In this video, we'll explore these benefits. Let's dive into how this ancient remedy can improve your health in many ways. What is Tulsi Kadha? Tulsi Kadha is a traditional herbal tea made from holy basil, ginger, black pepper, cinnamon, and other medicinal herbs. It has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine for its various health benefits. Why is Tulsi Kadha beneficial beyond treating cold and cough? Tulsi Kadha's blend of ingredients makes it a powerhouse of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties, and immune-boosting elements. These qualities make it helpful for a range of health conditions, not just respiratory issues. Who should use Tulsi Kadha? Tulsi Kadha is beneficial for anyone looking to improve their overall health. It is especially useful for individuals facing chronic health issues like diabetes, digestive problems, or stress. However, pregnant women and people with specific health conditions should consult a doctor before use. When should you drink Tulsi Kadha? Well, Tulsi Kadha can be consumed in the morning to kickstart your day with an energy boost, or in the evening to relax and unwind. Drinking it regularly can provide ongoing health benefits, and it is especially helpful during seasonal changes when immunity tends to be weaker. Where can you make Tulsi Kadha? Tulsi Kadha can easily be prepared at home. All the ingredients required, tulsi leaves, ginger, cinnamon, black pepper, are common kitchen ingredients. It is a simple recipe that doesn't take much time to prepare. How does Tulsi Kadha provide 5 health benefits? Let's explore the 5 key health benefits of Tulsi Kadha. First, it improves digestion. Tulsi Kadha stimulates digestive enzymes and acids, which helps in better digestion. It can also reduce bloating, indigestion, and other gastrointestinal problems. Second, it reduces stress and anxiety. Tulsi is known as an adaptogen, which means it helps the body cope with stress. Regular consumption of Tulsi Kadha can calm the mind, reduce anxiety, and promote better mental well-being. Third, it enhances immunity. Tulsi is rich in antioxidants, which help to fight free radicals in the body. Consuming Tulsi Kadha strengthens the immune system, helping you stay healthy and resist infections. Fourth, it regulates blood sugar levels. For individuals with diabetes, Tulsi Kadha can help regulate blood sugar levels. It improves insulin sensitivity, making it beneficial for managing diabetes naturally. Fifth, it promotes heart health. The anti-inflammatory properties of Tulsi Kadha help in lowering cholesterol levels and reducing high blood pressure, making it great for cardiovascular health. In conclusion, Tulsi Kadha is much more than just a remedy for cold and cough. By regularly consuming this herbal drink, you can boost your digestion, reduce stress, enhance immunity, regulate blood sugar, and support heart health. Try incorporating Tulsi Kadha into your daily routine to enjoy these multiple health benefits. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on living a healthier and happier life. Thanks for watching.